As always, this recipe will be in the description box underneath the video. But in here I have 1.5 cups of rolled oats, and I'm going to blend it to kind of turn it into a flour, not completely, okay? See, that's good. I want some of the oats in there and then some flour. I'm using my homemade applesauce for this. I'll put the link on here for you to watch it if you want, but it's sugar-free. So I'm going to do 3/4 of a cup. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Use any milk you want. If you wanted these to be gluten-free, you would have to get gluten-free oats, right? We're going to do a teaspoon vanilla, a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup. You can use honey if you want, no problem. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 eggs. And that's it, guys. We blend. All right. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. I'm going to grate an apple in here, the small one, with the peel. Give this a little texture. And this is optional, by the way. I'm also adding about 3 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, also optional. Okay.